Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and getting straight to the ribbon. Once Word is open, check whether the ribbon is visible. If it's minimized, use the caret or Control plus F1 to reveal it. Then go to File and choose Options, because Customize Ribbon is where you control the menu bar contents. You're doing this to make commands accessible where you expect them. Organizing now saves time later. Make sure you have an admin account. If your organization, now you'll shape the menu bar by adding tabs and groups. In Customize Ribbon, pick a tab or create a new tab and inside it make new group containers. This groups related commands logically. Select commands from the left list, popular commands or all commands, and click Add to move them into your chosen group. Once added, use the up and down arrows to order tabs and groups so the most used items are first. This reduces hunting and speeds your workflow. Finish by clicking OK to apply the menu bar changes and then test them in your document. You should try commands from different documents to confirm persistence. If something looks off, return to Customize Ribbon and use Reset on a selected tab or Reset All to restore defaults. This fixes most layout issues. If commands are missing, inspect disabled add-ins or permission restrictions and export your customizations so you can import them later. That export is your quick recovery if settings get lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.